Introducing xCool SuperCare hair dryer. A high-speed hair dryer. Yes, high speed. Don't worry, it will not blow out your roof. Wait, see the hand? That's the Easter egg of our hair dryer. Simply put it on the holder and you get a paper-saving hand dryer. Is it a qualified one? Let's compare it with a professional hand dryer. Dry the same wet fabric and observe the weight change. Yes, it performs even better. It also comes with a full-screen color screen. 3 magnetic nozzles are easy to change and store. So what does high speed mean? It means faster airflow speed, bigger volume. To be more visual, further air distance, but lower noise. Yes, that's it. High-speed hair dryer. Traditional hair dryers feature extreme heat, which can cause irreversible damage. But xCool's temperature control chip protects your hair from that. With high airspeed, it quickly removes water molecules, saving at least 30% drying time. Higher speed, lower temperature. Save your hair, save your time. Additionally, Ion Care works its magic by sealing the cuticles, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. You can change your clothes, but your hair stays with you for decades. So be nice to your hair. Well, you can change your hair if you're open to wigs. It's only 1.2 pounds. Perfect for travel. xCool SuperCare hair dryer is available now on Kickstarter. Join us in saving your hair, saving your time, your money, and saving the earth.